Thank you to my daughter Sophie for that beautiful unboxing. So recently I have purchased the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I'm so excited to be using this for my vlogging and for my content. I am a crochet creator and I have been filming everything so far for my brand new YouTube channel on my phone, which is a iPhone 16 Pro. And I am so excited to get this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, really excited. So we did the unboxing and I have been using it for a couple days and I would just like to give an honest review. So far I am really loving it. It is really simple. There's only a couple buttons that you have to push to get going. And I really like the fact that it is small and compact. So that is a plus. And I also like this extended handle, so I have a bigger area to grab. So there's two different extenders that you can put down here, and that makes it a little easier for you to grab the camera and move it around. I really love this tiny little tripod that comes with it. It is so adorable. I like the fact that all I have to do is just click a couple buttons and turn this and I can just start filming. I can do vertical videos. I can do horizontal videos for YouTube. I really like the gimbal. So once this is set to track your face, you can sort of move around and it can track your face. I like the fact that it has this cute little joystick that I can sort of move this joystick, aim the camera where I want it to be aimed. So I'm really loving that. I have taped a few things for my vlog with this. I haven't taken it out of the house yet. I'm a little afraid to drop it. So I haven't dared to take it out of the house, but I am really loving it as far as content creation. I think it's going to be really easy to use this. Later on today, I'm going to try to transfer the data for the videos that I have taken from this to my computer. So that's going to be the first step on testing it to see if that works well. I love the little screen. I love how simple and easy it is to use. I'm almost 60 years old and I am not tech savvy at all as far as phones go or cameras. So this is really so simple to use so far. And I have not even tried to use my little microphone yet. So what I'm going to do is stop filming with my iPhone and I'm going to start filming with my Osmo, and then we will see the difference. Okay, I hope I'm recording and I hope my mic is working. This is the first time I'm trying my mic, and so I am filming right now with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm also have to press record. I'm also recording on with my iPhone here, so we will be able to see the difference. And hopefully both are working. For us older gals, it can be a little intimidating to try something new, but I am really hoping that this all works and comes together because I think this will really help my content and improve my content. And I'm a crocheter, so I want to take this on the go when I am in Joann's shopping for yarn and when I am taping my vlogs. And I'm redecorating my yarn room, which I did earlier yesterday, and I filmed it all on my new Osmo, so I'm really excited to see how this video comes out. Again, this is a very honest review for somebody who's a little bit older, that is very new to YouTube, that is very new to vlogging, that is very new to using any type of camera at all, and mics and all of this, so it's all very new to me. So I'm so excited to be using this new camera and just step up my game in my vlogging, and hopefully it will help me to create better videos that you guys want to see. So everything so far, I do not have one complaint for the Osmo. Everything has been working perfectly so far. I love the gimbal effect. I love the face tracking. I love the tiny little screen that I can see when I'm recording. I love the how simple it is. The mic is really easy to use. This is the first time I have tried to use the mic, and I pushed the button. I waited for the vibration, and I'm seeing the little green mark on the screen, so I think this is recording, and I have my mic, so I think everything is going great. I love how compact it is and how small and easy it is to travel with the little cover that goes with it. I love the fact that it's recording in 4K, and everything has seemed so simple with this Osmo. I am over the moon excited about using this in the future for my videos, and I don't have any complaints at all, and I am loving it. So that is just an honest review. So if you are thinking about getting the Osmo, I got the creator combo. It came with everything that I need, especially this mic, and I hope this review and unboxing was entertaining and educational to anybody who's looking for more information from an absolute beginner who has no idea what they're talking about. I hope this has helped you, and make sure you watch some of my vlogs so you can see how I'm using this Osmo is in my crochet business. Bye guys.